A couple of weeks ago, I was asked who would my wish list guest be. Trevor Linden. Welcome
Honored.
to the program.
Great
Thank
to
you
be
for being
here.
But I'm not the only one who you are the wish list. I want you to look at this monitor over here, because I got a tour of the City TV studios, and you wouldn't believe how many people have you on their desktop or stuck to their bulletin boards. And so many, like caricatures, so many people have pictures with you as well, Trevor. Like, it's remarkable, and they love you.
Well, you know, it's interesting. I've seen so many photos from, like this stuff here. That's probably 20 many years ago. I remember that overcoat. That's a bad overcoat.
Okay, but do you remember this one? Okay, Al, the Jody Trevor shot.
Boy.
Do you remember that?
Oh my God! Look at that.
It's you
Troy Gamble
and Jay Mazer.
Mazer.
That was at Softball City. That's
Yeah,
the first time we really hung out.
That was at a softball tournament.
Yeah, it was remember I completely whiffed twice.
Yeah.
I was so bad at the plate. I had to be the celebrity, if you can believe it.
Yeah,
what?
Good
Not
stuff.
so much. We're going to roll some tape here because I do want to reminisce a bit, because when people are watching at home, I mean, we love to look back at the Trevor times. I know you're going to blush because you've already seen the rookie viz. Can we start rolling the draft? And I believe we've got some shots.
We should burn this draft tape. This is
really
not good. Yeah, that's not. You know, that's too long ago. That's a bad suit. I don't know where I got it from. Yeah.
What were you thinking right then?
I was just a young boy from Alberta, medicine hat, and oh, look at this. Why am I wearing 20? Is I got 27 on?
Yeah, what's up with that?
That
was your rookie.
Ron Stern, my first roommate right there.
Yeah, we're taking you back, Trevor.
Oh boy, that's some really old stuff there. This is good. Look at me. Wow.
I know. Yeah. And of course, you might remember this moment.
Yeah, that was a magical year. I was so fortunate to come into that situation as a young guy, and came to a team that wasn't very good, so I got a great opportunity to play.
Yes.
And you know, and things were different back then. It seemed like there was less pressure in the system, and for a young kid like me, it was easier to get established. And you know, I often kind of wonder what would happen now if I, you know, try to do that again. And it was, I got fortunate to come to a great city, play for a great organization.
A little bit of a different world. How much of a paradigm shift was it from being able to sort of come into a struggling team to what happened in the '94 season? We've got some viz from '94.
Yeah,
the happy moment.
I mean, it was, you know, coming to the Vancouver.
Well, first, this picture.
Yes, Kirk McLean and I. That was after Game 6 in the Stanley Cup Finals, and it's kind of a, you know, that's a favorite photo of many people, and just kind of shows, you know, what was going on. And that was after Game 6 we'd won, and we're heading to Game 7. And you know, I think for me coming to Vancouver in '88, Pat Quinn was here, and he was trying to rebuild the team. The '80s were a very difficult time for Vancouver Canucks fans.
I remember.
And for the team. Yeah, and so by '94 we had built ourselves into a very good team. Pat Quinn had done such a great job of assembling a good group of players, and of course Pavel was here, and Greg Adams, and Cliff Ronning, Jeff Courtnall. You know, we had we had a good team, and so for Vancouver hockey fans, you know, finishing first in the Smythe division and winning playoff series was something special and new, and not getting beat up by the Calgary Flames and the Edmonton Oilers through the '80s, right. which was the normal thing, and dropping the lid of the trophy and that sort of thing. Yeah,
that was genius.
So you know, that series against Toronto, beating the Toronto Maple Leafs at home, was amazing for, you know, Vancouver-Toronto rivalry, and to win at home like that was.
And nobody thought
special.
the team would even get past round 1, maybe.
Well, you know, it's interesting. I mean, the 2 previous seasons, we finished first in the Smythe. We had over 100 points,
right.
and you know, lost in the second round to the eventual Stanley Cup finalists both years. And so we had a good team. We didn't have a very good season. We had a lot of injuries, but we kind of hit our stride at the end and got to the final. So. I
love this moment. This is sort of a random one, but when we were going through the file viz,
this
is gonna feel good.
This was kind of good, and then I realized this hockey player is sitting on these people's laps. You know, what do I do? And I thought, I've got to, you know,
do something nice for them because of Trevor.
I've done a few events around the province, and I met one of the guys. He's got a photo of the player actually sitting in the lap. He showed it to me. I'm like, you were there? He says, I was sitting right there.
See, everybody loves them some Trevor. And I did want to talk about your trade and your return and all of that. But you know what? Such a feel good of that moment. And I want to save time for your big announcement, which is coming up inside. What? Oh gosh, we're just 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away from a big announcement from Trevor Linden. We sent it over to one of your very biggest fans in this room next to me, of course, Michelle McDermott.
I know, I'm way over here on the other side of the room, and I'm blushing. I'm blushing and flustered already.
And Trevor, you have a big announcement to make.
Yeah, great to be here. Well, as you know, we started Club 16 Trevor Linden Fitness. We opened our first facility in Coquitlam last February.
Right.
Burnaby opened in July, and everyone keeps asking me, when are you going to come downtown? Well, we're coming downtown. We're actually coming to the Vancouver Trade and Convention Center.
Wow.
The new Vancouver Trade and Convention Center, right on the seawall. We've got 20,000 square feet. All those windows are looking north to the beautiful North Shore Mountains, right on the water, right on the seawall. So you can work out and enjoy one of the best views in the world, and that's the frontage there. That'll be all the club as you see it.
The reflection of the mountains on the...
There it is. That's what you'll be. That's where we are, and of course we'll also have bike rentals down there, so you can tour around the seawall, go for a run, use all our state-of-the-art equipment, and all for the fantastic price of $19.99 a month with no contracts.
How can you afford to do that? I mean,
it's a great concept. I mean, one of the things that we're so proud of, what we've been able to do is 30% of our members are first-time fitness club members, right. And I think that reason is, we offer a very affordable price, but more than that, we're very unintimidating. We have a very welcoming atmosphere, friendly atmosphere for us. So those first-time gym members feel comfortable coming to us, and our staff's fantastic. And so it's exciting to be downtown. It's a big move for us.
That is a very key point, in that it isn't intimidating to walk into one of your fitness clubs, because that is big for people that think, oh, I can't, there are a bunch of athletes there, the Trevor Linden works out there.
I have to be in shape to go,
right.
And that's totally not what we're about. Obviously, with our Women's Only She's Fit, which is a private area for women, that'll be part of our club downtown at the convention center. But also, we want to appeal to the person who's into fitness, not about pumping a bunch of iron, but
right.
wants to get heart healthy. If in Coquitlam, it's fantastic. We have a lot of 55 and over. We've got a lot of young people. Regardless of where you are, it's all about getting your fitness back and maintaining that healthy lifestyle so that you can be active for years to come.
Right, stay healthy. The great motivator, not just a hero in your hockey program, but also a great motivator. Sign me up. That's why I have my pen. You have a contract for me?
I
want to be the first.
Joey Vance, right here.
Okay, I'm joining it.
Is the first honorary member of our downtown facility.
Love it. When does it open?
It opens in February, but you can sign up today at trevorlindenfitness.com or at our sales booth at the Pacific Center, which is in the Rotunda right off of Georgia Street. So sign up today, and you can get a free autographed 8x10 from me.
Come on now.
There you go.
Oh, well, it just got a whole lot busier there. I know everybody here at the City TV studios are going to be all over that. They've got to replace and augment their desks, because everybody here has a shot of Trevor on their desk. Thank you for doing this, my friend.
Thanks. Great to be here,
My number one wish of a guest right there.
And our number one member down at the Downtown Club right here.
Thank you very much.